Hey, this is Mike, and today I want to talk about three EV tech stocks, three EV car stocks, and try to look at which three of these stocks, Tesla, NIO, or Fisker, will outperform in the next 12 months. Because I think there's an argument that any one of these three can outperform the rest over the next 12 months. So, overall, let me just say I do believe that EV stocks are going to do really well, especially over the next 5 to 10 years, because all automobiles will eventually become electrified, or we're just going to have a general move away from the combustible engine. So let's take a look at these three stocks. Now, I will say just right off the bat that if you really want to play it safe, you own all three, and then one of them will become the dominant EV car maker, and it will vastly outperform the other two stocks. And it's kind of like a hedge. Like one of these stocks will probably move up like 1,000% over the next decade, even if the other two fail. So you come out ahead if you own all three. But let's just take a look at all three of the stocks. So let's start with the largest EV car maker of the three, which is Tesla. Tesla currently has a market cap of $400 billion. And of course, they are the largest producer of electric vehicles based in the United States. And they sell really well in the United States as well as Europe and Asia. Right now, if you look at the stock yesterday, it was up almost 6%. Everything was strong really yesterday. The stock has performed extremely well, almost a 400% year-to-date performance. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at NIO, which has performed even better. It was up 6.5%. NIO is based in China. They're really a tenth of the size of Tesla with a market cap of about $48 billion. They're based out of China. The main difference with NIO is that they offer a battery swap. Instead of charging your car, you drive the car into a NIO battery swap station, and in 90 seconds you get a new battery and you're fully charged. Now, over the year to date, NIO has risen almost 1,200%. So it's risen 3 times more than Tesla, which has risen 400%. NIO has more potential, I would say, upside if they can become a bona fide competitor to Tesla. So however, there is more risk. I mean, this is a stock that has risen 1,200%. So it could be perfectly expected and perfectly normal if a stock like this drops significantly, because it could just be a part of a reversion to the mean. However, this is a company, since it's based in China, China's going to have a huge demand for EVs. And because you have more state control of the economy, China could just outright ban combustible vehicles, and that would be a great advantage for NIO. And finally, let's go ahead and take a look at the new player on the block, which is Fisker. Fisker just changed its ticker symbols from its SPAC. It was up about 3%. This is a company that doesn't have anywhere near the size or the products of a Tesla or NIO. However, it does have the potential to give you an incredible return because its market cap is only $800 million. And I think Fisker has learned from its first launch, and now they're relaunching new products. And if you look at this stock, it's just been kind of up and down a little bit. It has been higher, and I do think this stock will move higher with the rest of the EV stocks. And I will say this is the largest risk to reward with Fisker, because if they can get their act together, and I think they will, because now EVs have become more mainstream, especially in the last 2 years, they have a business model that they can emulate with Tesla, which is offer a high-end six-figure vehicle and then use the profits from that to create a more mass-produced, smaller vehicle. So there is more upside, but there's actually more risk, because I think out of all three companies, Fisker might be the only one that may not be able to survive if they just run into liquidity problems. So I would definitely take a look at all three. I plan on owning shares in all three companies just to hedge myself. I personally would put, like, if I, let's say, had $10,000, I would put 6,000 in Tesla, 3,000 in NIO, and then 1,000 in Fisker, because I think Tesla will move really well and be dominant. However, there is an outside chance that Fisker can outperform the other two stocks if they really get their act together. So just thought I'd put my 2 cents in there on these three EV automakers. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a like. And if you want to see more of these types of videos, go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do daily multiple uploads on everything from stocks to options to trading strategies. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.